How the U.S. turned cargo planes into missile bombers. What if a simple cargo plane could suddenly become a long-range missile launcher? No redesign, no expensive upgrades, just load, drop, and strike. This is the future of aerial warfare. The U.S. Air Force has found a way to transform aircraft like the Lockheed C-130J Super Hercules and Boeing C-17 Globemaster III into something far more dangerous, a flying missile platform. Traditionally, launching cruise missiles required specialized bombers. Aircraft like strategic bombers were limited in number, expensive, complex, and not always available when needed. But what if you could turn hundreds of cargo planes into missile carriers overnight? That's exactly what this system is designed to do. The concept is simple, but powerful. It uses palletized munitions. Missiles are loaded onto standard cargo pallets, the same ones used for transporting equipment. Inside those pallets are precision weapons like the AGM-158 JASSM. When the aircraft reaches its launch zone, the pallet is pushed out of the rear ramp. A parachute deploys, slowing it down in mid-air. Then, one by one, the missiles drop free, ignite, and fly toward their targets. This changes everything, because now, cargo planes are no longer just support aircraft. They become force multipliers. Instead of relying on a handful of bombers, the Air Force could deploy dozens, even hundreds, of missile launching platforms. That means more targets, more firepower, and faster response in a conflict. The system has already been tested. An MC-130 variant successfully deployed a pallet of simulated missiles over a test range in New Mexico. The result? A working proof that this concept is not just theory. It's real. But there's a problem. Cargo aircraft are not designed for combat. They're slow, large, and not stealthy. In a heavily defended airspace, they would be extremely vulnerable. So how do they survive? Distance. Cruise missiles like JASSM have long range. That means the aircraft can launch from far away, well outside enemy defenses. In other words, the plane doesn't need to enter danger to deliver destruction. And that's what makes this system so powerful. It turns logistics aircraft into strategic weapons, quietly, quickly, at scale. In modern warfare, it's no longer just about building new weapons. It's about using what you already have, in smarter ways. And with this system, even a cargo plane can become a threat from across the horizon.